Pandey from Tenet Technetronics, Bangalore. I am an application engineer working on Arduino and related products. Arduino is an open source hardware as well as software platform. In India, today Arduino users are increasing exponentially, but the boards we are getting is not that much sufficient due to some delays in the international market and due to some shipping and custom duties. Keeping that in mind, we developed our own board called Comet. This is a cloned version of Arduino IDE and it is compatible with all the platforms like Mac, Linux and Windows. In Tenet web store, we are having two flavors of Arduino. One is Arduino Comet, that is a clone version of Arduino IDE, an Indian made board, and Arduino Uno, an Italian made board. And we are having one more thing called Arduino starter kit for the people who are interested in electronics, in the sense who are willing to learn from the basics. This is the Arduino starter kit for beginners with some basics peripherals. 10 LEDs, one push button, 1 kilo ohm LDR, 10K potentiometer, in the sense variable resistor, one shift register, 10 330 ohm resistors, 5 volt DC motor, LM35 temperature sensor, 5 volt relay, a 7 segment display, connecting wires, USB cable for powering as well as uploading the code, transmitting the data from the controller to the software, a breadboard for connection, and Arduino boards. Now we are going to demonstrate how the user can get started with this starter kit. All the documents and the schematics are well documented, and you can see that thing in www.tenettech.com, and tutorials about this starter kit is linked with Comet. You just need to go to tutorials, then hardware interface. First example is interfacing the Comet with an LED. So video demonstration is there, schematics is there, and the coding of this thing is also there. It is well documented and you can refer this one. Now we are going to demonstrate each and every peripherals with the help of Manoj, application engineer in Arduino.
Hi, let us start with some of the basic interfaces making use of Arduino starter kit. Let us start with them blinking an LED. The required components are an LED and the resistors and connecting wires. Let us see how the connection goes. This is an LED. Usually the positive will be the longer terminal and the shorter will be the negative terminal. In Arduino, 40 milliamps of current is available in each and every digital I/O pins, but the LED requires 20 milliamps of current. So to limit the current, we are making use of one resistor, and that resistor is connected in series with the positive terminal of the LED, and this pin goes to the one of the digital I/Os, and this pin goes to the ground. Let us see how to connect with an practical. Here the Arduino switch, here the program. Here I am making use of pin number 3 and pin number 7, and inside the loop I am making use the function digital write to change the status of the LED. Once it goes, pin number 3 goes high, then it goes low, again same thing with respect to the 7th pin.
When you are just connecting the Arduino board with your software, we need to go to tools, select the board, which board you are using. We are using Arduino Duino, it's a cloned version. And which serial port? Communication port 32. We need to select that one, and first we need to compile it. Whether our syntaxes are correct or wrong. Then we need to upload.
Now the program is uploaded. Now you can see the LED starts blinking.
Now I change the pin number to 4 and 7, and I am going to reduce the delay to 100. Before it was 1 second, now it is 100 milliseconds.
Here 1000 refers to the 1 second delay, 100 refers to the 1. Now you can see the LED starts blinking.
At fast.
This is how an LED can be connected. Let's move on to the next interface. Let us start with an switch after an LED. Let us move on to the next interface, a push button. This is a push button, and this is how we can connect a push button. Actually it has 4 legs. Internally these 2 legs are short circuited, and through this leg we are connecting and resistors, and that pin should be grounded, and here we are giving 5 volt supply, and this pin goes to digital input. Let us see how it can be connected with breadboard. Here I have connected an LED and a switch, and here I am controlling an LED through switch, right? And this is how the code goes.
This is the code. We are reading the input from a particular pin, and we are going to make an LED high or low depending upon the input what we are getting from the button. This is the code. Now I am just going to upload the code.
Yes. Code is now uploaded. Now you can see this demo. When I press the switch, the LED goes on. When I leave the switch, the LED goes off. This is how the switch demo works. Let's move on to, now so far you have come across how to read with digital read and digital write function. Let us go for analog things. Let us move on to the next interface, a potentiometer or a variable resistors, how to interface with Comet.